Hi, I'm Jelai. If you're new here, I make videos that I can explore my capabilities to challenge myself. Hello people, today's cooking exploring is about making a banana bread in a brownie pan in two ways. First, we sift 2 cups of self-raising flour. Add in 1 cup of sugar, preferably brown sugar. But if you don't have, you can always use white sugar for this. Then add in half teaspoon of bicarb soda. Then mix the dry ingredients together. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius, but this still depends according to your oven type. Add in 2 eggs in your half cup of milk. Then add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And whisk until they are all combined. Then with the dry ingredients, add the milk mixture, the melted unsalted butter, and also the mashed banana. The banana is like 3 medium ripe bananas. Then completely mix all of the ingredients together until there are no dry lumps of flour. When all have been mixed together, you can now add in natural yogurt or Greek yogurt. Then afterwards, just continue to mix this until the yogurt has been incorporated with our mixture. Set aside our butter mixture and we will now prepare our brownie pan. With the brownie pan, get a parchment paper, then mold the parchment paper in the brownie pan as seen on this video. Then oil your pan or spray some oil so that your brownie will not stick to the bottom of the pan or even the sides. Pour or spoon butter into a prepared tin pan and then smooth the surface. Don't forget to cut the excess parchment paper on all sides because this will burn easily when you bake it in the oven. I will share to you a life hack. That is why I call this 2 ways. In one pan, I will bake half of it with plain banana bread and the other one I'll put in a chocolate chips. this is the best procedure that you can make when one of your person in the household doesn't like chocolate chips. Just sprinkle chocolate chips on top and press it a little. Don't worry, because when the cake rises, the chocolate chip will submerge. Then we will bake this for an hour. On the halfway mark, turn the pan and continue baking it. After an hour, test the pan for a skewer or like a matchsticks. Insert it, and the cake is done when the stick comes out clean. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe hack. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all again in another one. Bye!